Ever felt a bit anxious about going through customs and immigration? Well, you're not alone. Subscribe now for expert tips that'll make your next airport experience a breeze. Today we're unpacking the often daunting world of customs and immigration. Understanding these processes can dramatically smooth your path as you travel internationally. We'll even share exclusive insights straight from the folks who know best, immigration officers themselves. So, whether it's your first flight or your 50th, knowledge is your best travel companion. Stay tuned as we dive into the top 15 questions travelers have about airport customs and immigration. First up, the most common question, what documents do I need? Well, let's dive into that. At the very least, a valid passport is essential, and depending on your destination, a visa might also be necessary. Don't forget to check if there are specific health certifications required, especially in today's travel climate. Additionally, be prepared with any customs forms that might be needed upon arrival. These documents are your ticket to a smooth journey. Keep documents handy and ensure they're up to date to avoid any hitches. Timing is everything at airports. So, how early should you be? When jetting off internationally, the golden rule is to arrive at the airport 2 to 3 hours before your flight. This isn't just about checking in or passing through security, it's also about cushioning yourself against the unexpected. Whether it's a sudden rush at security, a little extra time needed at check-in counters, or simply a moment to breathe and grab a coffee, arriving early can make all the difference. Arriving early reduces stress and leaves time for unexpected delays. Ever wondered if your items will make it through customs? Well, navigating the maze of prohibited items can be quite the puzzle. Commonly barred entries include certain fresh fruits and vegetables which might harbor pests or diseases. Also on the no-fly list are meats and seeds. Alcohol too, but only if you exceed the country-specific limit. And let's not forget those sharp objects. Pack them in checked luggage, not your carry-on. Always check the specific restrictions of your destination country beforehand. Declaring items can be confusing. Here's how to do it right. When you arrive at a destination requiring customs clearance, you'll typically be handed a declaration form. This form is where you list everything you're bringing into the country that isn't a personal effect. It's crucial to be thorough and honest when filling out this form. Undeclared items can lead to fines or even legal trouble. Remember, if you're unsure whether to declare an item, always err on the side of caution. When in doubt, declare it. It's better to be safe than sorry. Needing medication shouldn't stop you from traveling. Here's what to do. When packing your bags, remember that both prescription and over-the-counter medications usually need to be in their original packaging. Most countries also require a clear, legible doctor's note or prescription, stating the need for the medication. This is crucial for avoiding misunderstandings at customs. It's wise to keep these medications in your carry-on luggage, ensuring they are easily accessible for inspection. Carry essential documentation for your medications to avoid issues. Planning a trip with your furry friend? Here's what you need to know. Traveling with pets usually requires a bit more preparation. First, ensure you have the necessary health certificates. These are often mandatory and must be issued by a licensed veterinarian. Next, check if your destination requires specific vaccinations or has quarantine regulations for incoming pets. It's also wise to confirm airline policies on pet travel, as these can vary significantly. Remember, every country has its own rules, so research is crucial. Preparation is key when traveling with pets. Random checks can be intimidating. Here's how to handle them. First, stay calm. Deep breaths can help settle any nerves, making the process smoother. Always be polite and courteous to the officers. They're just doing their job. Understand that random checks are standard practice and not a reflection on you personally. Answer questions clearly and honestly, and keep your travel documents handy to speed up the process. Lastly, a friendly attitude can often make the interaction more pleasant for everyone involved. Remember, cooperation and a calm demeanor go a long way. Hear directly from the experts, immigration officers. When approaching customs and immigration, a calm and honest demeanor goes a long way. Officers are trained to detect nervousness and inconsistency, so keeping your story straight without unnecessary embellishments is crucial. As one officer puts it, it's simple. The more straightforward you are, the quicker you'll be on your way. Preparation is key. Ensure all documents are easily accessible. An officer from JFK International shared, "Nothing slows down the process like digging through bags for a passport or documentation. Have everything in hand as you approach the booth. Respect and politeness are universally appreciated. A smile and a polite greeting can set a positive tone for the interaction. Treat the process with respect and you'll generally receive respect in return." advises an officer from LAX. Lastly, be informed about what you're carrying and the customs regulations of your destination country. Misunderstanding the rules can lead to delays and, in some cases, penalties. Straight from the officers, knowledge and preparation are your best friends at the airport. Ready for your next trip? With these tips, you're all set. We've covered everything from the essential documents needed to the nuances of declaring items at customs, and even how to handle unexpected interviews. Remember, knowing what to expect and preparing accordingly can transform your airport experience from stressful to straightforward. Whether it's your first flight or you're a seasoned traveler, these insights are invaluable. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and insights. Safe travels and see you in the next video.